How to create a Google business profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create your own business profile on Google. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give our video a quick like and subscribe. Alright, let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is head over to any web browser you have, and you are going to search for Google business profile here. And once you do that, you will get this link as a result, so you can just open it. Now all you have to do here is click on sign in, and once you sign in with your Google account, if you don't have any store and want to open a new one, you can just enter your business name. Once you do that, you will see an option to create a business with this name. You can tap on continue. So here are three options that you can choose from. So the first one is online retail, where customers can purchase your product through a website. Second one is local store, so customers can visit your business in person. This will allow you to locate your store or any of your business on Google Maps, and people will be able to see the location. And after that, the final one is service business, and in your business will visit the customers, so you are the one providing the services, so you will be visiting the customers. Right now I'm just going to choose the local store and click on next. Then you will have to add any business category, so what your business is related to. So I'm just going to enter a clothing store. Once you do that, you can just tap on next. And here you will have to enter your business address. So you can enter street address, your city, your postal code, and all of that good stuff. Now after that, you will see an option to locate your store. You can do that, and if you tap on next, it will open up your Google Maps so you can pinpoint your location. After this, you will have to enter your phone number to verify. I'm just going to skip this process now. Now it will ask you to put your business on the map, so it's asking you to locate your business on Google Maps, so just tap on continue. After that, you will be prompted to verify your business by entering your phone number, or you can choose to verify later. So basically, if you click on verify later, your business manager profile will be open, and here you can enter your business hours. So I'm going to open for 4 days in a week, then tap on next, or you can skip this process if you want. You can add a business description on what you can provide, add a picture of your business, and I'm just going to skip all of these for now to show you the final page. And once you do that, you will be verified. So if you search my business right now, it will show up. Your business will not be visible to customers unless you verify, so you will have to verify, and then you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.